I'm so sorry to be the one to share this with you.
Check it out.
Let's go. Miracle. Small bride made it back into America. Hit Uber and maneuvered out the area. Pitbull carrier. Rap terrorist, terror, teared up. Brought gas in the matches to flare it up. Militant Michael, psycho. Oh, on arrival. My job is to fight for survival. In spite of these all lives matter as possible.
Who are you?
Judge, talk real good cause we're smart and stuff. We're a good crew to fuck with, better than love.
I told y'all so. I told you on RTJ 1. Then I told you again on RTJ 2. And you still ain't believe me. So here we go. RTJ 3. Talk to me.
I left dinner on the stove for you. Should still be warm. Vanessa? Vanessa, what is it?
It's David Poe.
Came as soon as you called. What is it? You okay?
Remember when Anissa was 10 months old and she kept trying to walk?
Yeah, of course I remember. She'd fall and then she'd cry. She'd fall and then she'd cry. She did it over and over again. A week later, she was walking.
Ever since the day she was born, she's been stubborn. She never stops. She will keep falling until she walks. You have to help her, Jefferson.
Are you kidding?
Eventually, she will go back out there, whether we like it or not. And if she doesn't have someone to look after her, then she will get hurt. Or worse. Training her is the right thing to do.
Okay, what happened to powers are the drug that destroys lives? And I'm an addict. Do you want that for Anissa, to destroy her life?
I'm not talking about destroying her life. I'm asking you to protect it.
Hey, Jefferson. If I'd known you were coming, I would have picked up some more food.
I'm just on my way out. Yeah. When? On my way.
What is it? What happened?